Hello students, today we will discuss about proportion. What proportion is? When four quantities are so related that the ratio between the first and the second quantities is equal to the ratio between the third and fourth quantities, then these two ratios are said to be in proportion. That means, in a word, proportion is nothing but the equality of two ratios. Let us go for an example. The ratio between two numbers 12 and 18 is equals to 12 to 18. If we divided 12 and 18 by 6, then it becomes 2 and it becomes 3. Now the ratio between two numbers 16 and 24 is equals to 16 is to 24. If we divide these two numbers by 8, then we will get 2 and 3. Now, since the ratio between the first and the second, that is 12 and 18, is same as the ratio between the third and the fourth, that means 16 and 24, then we can easily say that 12 is to 18 equal to 16 is to 24. Now, and these four terms are said to be in proportion. Let us go for some properties. Number 1, each quantity in proportion is called term. Here, first term and the last term, that is 12 and 24, are called extremes, whereas the second term and the third term are called means. Property number 3. This is very important. For every proportion, the product of the extremes is equal to the product of the means. That means here these 12, 18, 16 and 24 are in proportion. That means we can easily say that 12 into 24, that is this one, is equal to 288, and 18 into 16, that means this one, is equals to 288. So this was the basic theory for proportion. So let us go and solve some problems. Here the question is, check whether or not the given ratio form a proportion. So here two ratios are 18 into 16, 12 into 15. So let us check. So 18 is to 16 equals to, let us divide it by 2. 9 is to 8. Now this one, let us divide it by 3. Then this is 4 is to 5. So this is the simplest form. This also is the simplest form. So that means we cannot say that these two ratios are equal. So we can easily say that these two are not in proportion. Now we can verify it by the property number 3. That is, let us multiply the extremes, that is 18 and 15. So 18 into 15 is equals to 270, and 16 into 12 is equal to 192, and hence we can say that these two are not equal. So that means those two ratios were not in proportion. Here the question is, find the value of x if x is to 4 equals to 6 is to 8. That means they are in proportion. So we can easily say that the product of the extremes, that means x and 8. So x into 8 is equals to the product of the means 4 and 6. So x equals to 4 into 6 divided by 8. So this is 2 and this is 3. So x equals to 3. So let us go for another problem. Find the third term if first, second and fourth terms of a proportion are 6, 18 and 75. So here first, second, third, fourth. The first term is 6, second term is 18, third term is 75. Sorry, fourth term is 75. Now, third term. Third term is missing. So, let the third term be x. So, now we can easily say that the product of the extremes is equal to the product of the means. Therefore, 6 into 75 equals to 18 into x. So, we can write it like 18x equals to 6 into 75. So, now x equals to 6 into 75 divided by 18. So, this is 3, this is 25. So, hence x equals to 25. So, here in this question the third term was missing. So, you may face a question where maybe second term is missing, maybe fourth term is missing, maybe first term is missing. Whichever is missing, you can assume that as x and you can find the value of that by this process easily. Here the question is the ratio of copper and zinc in an alloy is 9:8. If the weight of zinc is 9.6 kg, find the weight of copper in that alloy. So students, you may have solved this type of problems using the property of ratio, but now I will tell you how to solve it by the property of proportion. Solution: let the weight of the copper equals to x kg. So according to the problem, copper is to zinc equals to 9:8. So that means we can say that x is to 9.6 equals to 9:8. Now the product of the extremes, that means x and 8. So 8x equals to 9.6 into 9. 9.6 into 9. So x equals to 9.6 into 9 divided by 8. So this is 10, 8 1, 8 12. So 12 into 9, that is 108 divided by 10, that equals to 10.8. So therefore the weight of copper is 10.8 kg. Hope you all have understood the basic theory of proportion and